This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Attari. Pre-construction. To be built. Offering 3 beds, 2 baths, and over 1,700 square feet of living, the open concept floor plan maximizes functionality and living/entertainment space. As you enter the home into the foyer, you will find 2 decent-sized bedrooms and a shared bathroom tucked away at the front of the home separate from the owner's suite for added privacy. Continue down the hall to the spacious great room where you will be amazed by the 14-foot vaulted ceilings and the amount of natural light that beams in from the windows and sliders. Overlooking the great room is the well-appointed kitchen with 42-inch cabinets, quartz counters, stainless steel appliances and an island that offers enough seating for the entire family. The owner's suite is located at the back of the home for privacy and has a huge walk-in closet and attached ensuite with dual vanities, frameless glass walk-in shower. 17 by 17 tile throughout the common areas, primary bedroom and carpet in bedrooms 2 and 3 only. Additional home features include a pocket office with cabinets and countertops, and prewire for ceiling fans in all bedrooms, 2 pendant prewires over the kitchen island. Photos shown illustrate 401 plan features. Photos of the actual home site vary based on final selected features. Home is under construction. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Attari at 941-907-2000.